Heyo, Marissa here with another unboxing. This has been a busy year, guys. I don't know about you, but whew, they just keep throwing so many Yeezys at us. It's just like left and right. Which one do I buy, or do I just buy them all? Well, so far I think I'm just buying them all. And that is why we're here with another unboxing for one of my favorite silhouettes, the 350s. And this one is called the Marsh. Shall we check it out? Okay, so as you guys know, I am a fan of yellow. Wasn't quite sure what to expect with these. This is interesting though. I do like the yellow. Pull the other one out here, get a sniff on it. Smell that new shoe smell. Yep, that is fresh. So I want to kind of compare these to my Antlias, which you guys know I won. It was a UK-exclusive. Super stoked about these shoes because I thought I was going to lose them. I don't know if you guys have had issues ever with the postal service, but this guy just didn't deliver my shoes and said he did. So I had to stay on the phone all day long trying to track this package down. Thought I lost this UK exclusive, but thank God somehow they got delivered. So let's bring these bad boys out, compare them. As you can see, we got the yellow and yellow here. This one is definitely different with this like two-tone we have going on. It's almost like a mustard yellow that we have in the strip. Definitely different. Much different than the Antlias here, as you can see. But I don't know, they're pretty similar in a sense. It's like the yellow, so I don't know what I'm gonna wear these ones with. Might have to be a pretty simplistic outfit since it's pretty big pop of color, but I don't know, I'm feeling them, I like them. I have yet to win and be able to buy a reflective pair of Yeezys, but this is actually my first pair of Yeezys that has a reflective strip on it. Look at that. So I can't wait to try these bad boys on at nighttime so we can see the reflective strip take action. But yeah, reflective's pretty dope. I'm into that. Wraps all the way around the back, stops right here. So you got that full reflective action going on the back of the heel of the shoe. As I look closer at the Antlias and the Marshes, it literally looks like they took this reflective strip and just spat it all over the Antlia and put all the different reflectives and sewed it in different areas of the shoe. Kind of the same shoe. Interesting. I will say though, the bottom of the sole is a different yellow. This one is kind of more of like a translucent clear. Also in the back, we have the different colors here. Different mix up of shades, but overall, I don't know. I don't see too many like major differences, except that this is kind of like this gray Poupon yellow.
Pardon me, would you have any grey Poupon?
But of course. Grey Poupon, one of life's finer pleasures.
This is definitely more of like a limeish kind of yellow color going on here. But I think that I'm still more of a fan of the Antlias personally. Let me know your thoughts. How do you feel? Are you a Marsh team? Are you an Antlia team? Which one would you play for? Thanks, guys.